Okay, we are streaming. I want to shoot Shannon a quick message. I forgot to tell her that she can actually open the YouTube video and watch what's going on. Last week she was home and she actually zoomed in, but I don't think she can zoom from her courtroom computer. I don't think it has microphone or speakers. Uh, But, well, yeah, if it doesn't have speakers, she won't be able to do it from her other computer. I think it has speakers. I'm gonna send her a quick note in any event. I keep thinking of new things to complicate my morning. Okay, let's see. So J.L. Richardson. Well, let me bring in Justine Spiegelberg first. So on the matter of Miles Shipe, you are the mother, correct?
No, the worker.
The worker, I'm sorry.
Jessica Moore is the mother.
What's the mother's name?
Jessica Moore.
Let me see. Oh, I see a Keith Moore.
That's a review hearing.
Oh, okay. There's Jessica's iPhone, so
That might
probably.
be it. Maybe.
All right. Sorry about that, Justine.
Yep.
Okay, on the matter of Miles Shipe, I had a in-chambers conference just with the attorneys because jury demand has been made in this case and we're not able to conduct jury trials. All I could do is really adjourn the pretrial. We'll get a new date sometime in March. that everyone will get notice of. Otherwise, there's not much else we can do in that case until the courtroom frees up for jury trials. Did either of you have any questions?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm going to move on to my next case then.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, this is the matter of Azariah Suddeth. And let's see, Mr. Hurlbert, is Ivan LGAL on this file?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Wade is here on behalf of the prosecutor and J.L. Richardson, whose report I've read yesterday that indicates mom is not cooperating and you are recommending that I schedule the matter for trial. I saw your lips move, but I didn't hear anything.
Sorry, I said yes. I don't have a great connection. Can you hear me now?
Yes, thank you. That came through real clear. And I don't think I've got a parent in the waiting room, which wouldn't surprise me since mom's being unresponsive to you. Is that correct?
Yeah, I haven't been able to get in touch with her at all. My first report was based on interaction with the school. She, Azariah attended school for about 3 weeks. And then when I contacted them for an update, she had not been in school for approximately 3 weeks. And I haven't been able to reach her by phone. It seems like the phone's disconnected. I've been to the house a couple times. There's been no answer at the door.
All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to schedule the matter for another pretrial. I'm going to order that the mother appear at the pretrial via Zoom, and that if she fails to appear, a bench warrant will be issued for her arrest. I will wait to schedule the trial until I can actually get mom's attention. She has a right to an attorney, but I need an opportunity to advise her of that right and ask her if she wants me to appoint one. Does anyone remember if mom showed up for the last pretrial?
She did not.
Well, I know referee Bates has been having issues getting her to cooperate with her older kids' truancy cases as well. I'm probably going to call in something to centralize intake. I don't know if they'll assign it, but.
All right. If my last pretrial order told her to appear or a bench warrant will be issued, I'll just go ahead and issue a bench warrant. If it didn't say that, I will issue a very specific order. And we'll set a new pretrial date. Shannon, I'll let you know when that will be. Okay, is there only ed neglect today?
I believe so.
Okay, thank you, JL. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay, let's see. Next up, we have Keith Jackson Moore, correct?
Correct. Mr. Brown is guardian ad litem, no parents, or no attorneys for parents. The Molly Wagner is the worker.
Okay, I've got Keith Moore in the waiting room. Let me
Every time.
let everybody in. Okay, we are on the record in the matter of Keith. Is it Jackson Moore or Moore Jackson?
Keith Moore.
Keith Moore.
Jackson's Ross data.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning.
And we're waiting for Ms. Wagner to make an audio connection. Mr. Way is here on behalf of petitioner, Mr. Hurlbert for Ivan Brown, lawyer, guardian ad litem.
I'm Dr. Paris
And-
Miller.
I'm sorry, say your name again.
Dr. Paris Miller, I'm the director of Havenwick Residential,
Okay.
and Keith's therapist.
So I got interrupted yesterday as I was about to read the court report in this file. Ms. Wagner, I see you present now. Can you hear us?
Yes.
So I did not get a chance. I ended up being in interviews all afternoon and didn't get out of the courthouse until well after 5 o'clock. So I didn't get a chance to read the file. So if you could give me just a little more information than usual, Mr. Hurlbert, we'll start with you. From your perspective as LGAL, how's Keith?
Your Honor, he's doing fine. Ivan indicated, I think via text or maybe an email, that he had some contact and he filled out that form and sent it in to your clerk.
I'm sure she has it.
Did he text me?
So Ms. Wagner,
He texted me.
thank you. I didn't get a chance to read the report. Can you give me a update on how?
Yes, and Keith's therapist is also on here, but as far as I know, Keith is doing okay in the program. From what he's told me, he doesn't like being there, but he's willing to work the program and do what's needed to get through it. He is in therapy. He's doing group and individual therapy, and his therapist, Miss Miller, could speak on the other things that he's doing while there. He's also in school, and he's, as far as I know, he's doing well in school, and he has, he's smart and doing well. Like, he doesn't have an IEP or anything. He does really good in school.
Somebody's got a dog in the room. Was that you?
It was
Mom?
my dog. I have a puppy too, and the puppy's attacking my other dog, so he's not happy.
So, Dr. Miller, could you give the court an update on your perspective as to how Keith is doing?
Sure. He's only been here a month and a half. He had a rocky adjustment at first, really had a difficult time with the rules. Is showing a significant improvement with that. Was not willing to come out of his room many times, but now is coming out and joining in the activities that he needs to do. Really with Keith, we're focused on trauma and abuse, neglect, and that's what really drives his whole behavior. And, you know, part of it is that he doesn't trust adults and he can't count on them to meet his needs. So when he feels that way, he gets very anxious and becomes much more demanding and intrusive in his behavior. But again, that's driven by the trauma as opposed to anything else. I think the same thing applies to any type of need, whether it be, you know, material needs, emotional needs, sexual needs. So he's an immediate gratification kid right now because, again, he doesn't count on us to be there for him or be able to take care of him. So he thinks he has to handle things himself. You know, he is doing the program. He's completed his autobiography. He's working on his first chapter of empathy. The program is designed to be 18 to 24 months. And he's on track for the way he started because he started, like I said, kind of rocky, but he's much better now. You know, he's cooperative in individual therapy. He is open. He is getting used to being in group therapy. He participates in group therapy 4 times a week. He participates in life skills group to be able to handle independent living. He participates in processing group or goal setting group once a week. He participates in 3 to 4 recreational therapy sessions. It's a milieu designed for milieu therapy, so he has to earn a certain percentage to petition to the next level, as well as complete certain assignments to help him gain insight into his behavior. So it's a very comprehensive program that he's engaged in, and I think he has the potential to do quite well.
So thank you. Keith, I get that you don't like being there. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't either. But do you at least see the value and potential benefit of what you're going through right now, long term?
In a way, I do see it. Yeah, I can see the value.
Anything that you wanted to say this morning?
No.
All right, we will implement the recommendations. We will schedule a review hearing in approximately 3 months because we're not able to get Shannon in the room yet. I can't tell you that date. Let me see if she can give me that. Usually she's pretty responsive, so let's just give her a minute or two. Well, she may have stepped away. I haven't heard from her. We'll get you that date. No sense keeping you around just waiting for that to happen since I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Ah, here we go. I think we're still waiting on an audio connection. Yeah, okay, looks like we're connected. So Shannon, we just did the review hearing for Keith Moore. Can you give us the next court date, please?
Yep, let me get the file real quick here. Okay. Our next court date for Keith Moore is March 2nd at 8:45 a.m.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see, Matt, Matt and Chris, we'll see you at 10.
Okay, Judge, don't
Thank you.
hang up yet.